I might join OTK if this happens. And then we'll just make so many videos and get so many views. Oh my God. Just put the camera on Chompy. They'll love to watch Chompy for a bit. You don't have to. They don't have to watch you be silent. Just put it on the bunny or Chompy or something. It's easy. It's easy views. Just put Chompy cam on the top.
Bro, Chompy's fucking KO. Do you see him right now? Look at him.
Play some. I don't see him, to be honest. Oh, there he is.